As we approach the end of 2020, many of us are looking forward to having a fresh start. One way of doing this is by creating goals and resolutions for the new year. Setting goals and resolutions can feel really great. However, I think we all learned from 2020 that we need to make sure to be flexible, and we realize that anything could change. It also can take a while to implement a new habit. The Healthline found that it can take anywhere from 18 to 254 days for a person to form a new habit and an average of 66 days for a new behavior to become automatic. This means that if you're going to commit to a habit for the new year, it might take a few weeks or even a few months for it to stick. It can also be helpful to choose one or two things to focus on, because if you try and do everything all at once, you might get overwhelmed and not stick with any of them. Here are a few ideas of things that you could add into your routine for 2021. Just choose one or two that really resonate with you, and if none of these do, create your own. Take 5 minutes to stretch every morning when you wake up. Drink a glass of water in the morning. Put your phone or other distractions away in a drawer or another room whenever you have class or need to do homework. Commit to turning in all of your assignments on time. Go for a walk outside as a break after you finish your classes every day. Think of 3 things that you are grateful for every day. Take 30 minutes away from electronics before you go to bed. Instead, make time to read, journal, or draw. If you choose to set larger goals for yourself, try and divide them into more reasonable pieces. Think about what sorts of daily habits you could implement that would move you closer to your goal. For example, one of my goals is to be fluent in German. Therefore, a daily habit I could commit to is practicing every day. If you work just a little bit every day, you will slowly move closer to achieving your goals. 2020 has been a hard year for so many of us. Try to implement little things in your life that bring you joy, whatever those may be. Set out some positive intentions for the new year. Let go of some things that are no longer helping you, and choose a few new things that could make your days a little bit better. Let's try to make 2021 a better year. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks everyone, and Happy New Year!